Good morning, everyone. On Saturday, it means Sasi. Right now, I am at the office. Well, today is so nice, and then yesterday raining. Find me at Rompo Market. Don't forget to call me first and make appointment. I'm here now. If you need help about main visa, about married visa, if you want to buy farm, buy land, buy home, buy condo, or you want to do a married visa or retirement, driver license, anything about law system, don't forget to come by and call me first. Well, everyone enjoy, have a nice day on Saturday and have a good weekend. And then you know how to find me, just call me first. You know my address at Lompo Mugata Market. Have a coffee here. We have restaurant, Thai food, international and buffet. Well, don't forget to call me, book appointment first. Well, everyone, and I have to go to work now. Everyone enjoy, have a on weekend. Okay, bye. Don't forget to call me when you need help or come to Thailand about law system. Bye.